How do you stay disciplined when everything goes wrong? When you're really disciplined, you don't have this question. You know that when something goes wrong, you have to be even more disciplined. Because if something went wrong, it means that something was not disciplined enough in your life. Because look, I found out that when I became disciplined, I have so less things that could get wrong when I'm disciplined. What it means discipline in general? Discipline means that you are the one who is controlling your body, your thoughts, your feelings, and all of these things by doing what your mind is don't want, but you push him to do this and you go through that. Okay, so for example, what can go wrong in a man's life who trying to be disciplined? For example, fopping or porn addiction. Like, oh shit, I again watch the porn and masturbate on it. This is when something goes wrong. How you stay disciplined? You have to understand that these hands are controlled by your mind. So you can stop doing with these hands everything you want if your mind is strong enough to do that. If something goes wrong, you was not disciplined enough. That's all. You just have to remember good thing. If you fail with your discipline, some part of your discipline, let's say you told yourself that, oh, I will not eat the cakes, but you ate the cake. First, realize that you cannot change it right now. Second, realize that you fucking control your hands and you can say to your hands to not fucking eat the cake. And the third is that right now it will be better. There is no worse situation than you already done. So for example, you told yourself that I will never fop again or I will never watch porn again, but you again watch it. You have to understand, first of all, I cannot change it. I cannot make it back. Second is that you control your hands. And third is that right now it will become better. Like the worst part, you already go. Like even if you right now, couple minutes ago you ate the cake, you're already better. On the couple minutes you are better than when you were in the process of eating cake. Because again, there is only present, and only in this present we can be successful. We cannot be successful in the future, we cannot be successful in the past. We can be successful only right now. And the most important thing that determines are you successful or not in this right moment is what are you doing, okay? How do you silence the part of your brain that says you are not enough? Wow, awesome question. Because I recently read the book named Anxious Perfectionist. This is person who I was. I mean, I still a little bit like that. Like when you come in from the bottom like me, you will always feel like you are not enough. And you are always not enough, I will tell you. So you're always not enough. This is the question of how you handling this. You can handle it by saying you're not enough and I hate you, I don't like myself, I fucking hate myself, I'm bad, I'm stupid, I'm idiot, and so on. Or you can handle it like that. I'm not enough with my, let's say, skills of sales. And I will improve my skills of sales. But at the same time, I love myself. I love myself and I will be always love myself independently where I am now, what mistakes I've made and how I'm feeling right now, okay? So we have to separate ourselves from the things we are not enough in, okay? We don't have to say like, if we cannot sell, we don't have to say, oh, I'm stupid. Not, I mean, you are, but you have to do it with love, you know, like you have to separate. Like you is not your sales. So sales skill is something separate from you. You hate that you don't have enough sales skills, but you don't have to hate yourself. So how to love yourself? Really important question. Imagine the person whom you will love anyway. Whatever he will do, you will love him anyway. Maybe it's your child, maybe it's your mom, maybe it's your father. Imagine this person. For me, for example, is my sister, my little sister. And when I imagine her, I understand whatever she will do, I will still love her. 1,000,000%. And after that, try to replace this person on yourself. This is the best way to start loving yourself. Place yourself there. Like, give you hug, give yourself hug and go on with that. How do you handle burnout without losing your life? Your fire, I'm sorry. How do you handle burnout without losing your fire? Burnout without losing your fire. You cannot handle burnout without losing your fire. You will definitely lose your fire. This is what it means. Like, you have to put more wood and give a more fire. I mean, this thing, like how this they work. You know, you have to give some light, yeah, some light and new wood to have this fire again. So what means burnout? It means that we are long time not put wood in our fire, so it goes down. In a real life example, it can be, for example, we are working. We are working, but we are not studying. We are not going to the gym. We are not making new relationships, new friends. And at some point, this fire just stops burning. And we have to put new woods, and it will be hard. We have to, first of all, cut the tree. We have to make it beautiful, you know, I mean, effective. Put this wood, create new fire, make a light, and it will not start like that. It will start first with a small piece, like a small light, and you'll doing the, and it starts burning little by little, and at some point you're getting in the fire. And to be in a fire always, you have to just put always their wood. All of these things like running, like reading, and all of these things is like a wood you're putting. And some moment it will click and the fire will begin again. Just never forget to do this. This was my biggest mistake when I was stopping to do, let's say, education and sport, when I got good money on the work and I was just keep going and doing the same things over and over again. And at some point you will get burnout. It's not because you worked a lot. You will not burn out because you worked a lot. You will burn out if you will not put new knowledge in yourself, good food in yourself, good treatment for yourself, and so on. This when you will get burnout. People don't understand burnout, honestly. Do you believe balance exists or it's just a lie for lazy people? Balance exists, and it have to be existed 100%. You have to sleep 8 hours, you have to work, let's say 8 hours, you have to do studying 2 hours, and you have to do 2 hours of training and 4 hours of eating and all of other bullshit. So yeah, balances exist, and you have to balance it, and it's not for lazy people. Balance your time is the most important thing in life. Balancing is not for lazy people. Balancing is for the most productive people in the world and most richest people in the world.